Revolut Webhook integration is a powerful tool that allows businesses to automate and streamline their financial operations by receiving real-time notifications from Revolut. To understand Revolut Webhook integration, let's break it down step by step. First, it's essential to understand what a webhook is. A webhook is a callback function that is triggered by a specific event, such as a payment or a transaction. When this event occurs, the webhook sends a notification to a predefined URL, which can then be used to trigger further actions. Revolut Webhook integration works in a similar way. When a specific event occurs in a Revolut business account, such as a payment or a transfer, Revolut sends a notification to a predefined URL. This notification contains information about the event, such as the payment amount and the recipient's details. To set up Revolut Webhook integration, businesses need to provide Revolut with a URL that will receive the notifications. This URL is typically a server endpoint that is designed to handle the incoming notifications. Once the URL is provided, Revolut will start sending notifications to that URL whenever a specific event occurs. One of the key benefits of Revolut Webhook integration is that it allows businesses to automate their financial operations. For example, when a payment is received, the webhook notification can trigger an automated response, such as sending a confirmation email to the customer or updating the business's accounting system. Another benefit of Revolut Webhook integration is that it provides real-time information about financial transactions. This allows businesses to respond quickly to any issues that may arise, such as a failed payment or a suspicious transaction. To get the most out of Revolut Webhook integration, businesses should follow best practices such as securing their URL with HTTPS and handling errors and exceptions properly. They should also ensure that their server endpoint is able to handle the volume of notifications that will be received. In conclusion, Revolut Webhook integration is a powerful tool that allows businesses to automate and streamline their financial operations. By understanding how it works and following best practices, businesses can unlock the full potential of Revolut Webhook integration and improve their financial management.